In today's video, I will be showing you the process of making our leave-in conditioner that will keep your hair moisturized, detangle your hair, and even soften your hair. Whenever you want to comb it, just apply a little bit on your hair and you are ready to comb your hair and style it. So this is what our leave-in conditioner look like. The first thing I will surely do is to take all my ingredients. You can go all with your shea butter, coconut butter, your cocoa butter, your apricot butter, any butter of your choice, like your mango butter. You can use it for your living conditioner. And I'll go on and measure all my ingredients. Then the next thing is for me to go on and melt my ingredients. If you want to make living conditioner, you have to make sure you measure your ingredients. You can't just go on and put any ingredients of your choice, like without measuring your ingredients. Just make sure you measure your ingredients. Followed by my aloe vera juice, I'll go on and measure my aloe vera juice.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over.
After getting my ingredients ready, then I'll go on and use my beater just to beat my ingredient that I mixed with my aloe vera juice earlier.
Your words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I'm trying to measure our hair growth oil that contains 20 natural herbs, which is organic hair growth oil. This contains a lot of natural herbs. So I don't say chemical. We don't make any chemical. We don't use chemical on our hair. So this is what our ingredient is looking like right now after I've added the remaining ingredients. Then I'll go on and continue beating together to mix everything together. Like this is where the work is, because everything you're adding, you just have to make sure that you are mixing it every seconds so that everything will mix well. So after mixing it for some minutes, then I will go on and add our ingredients that I made earlier, which is our coconut oil, our shea butter, our cocoa butter, our mango butter, our hair growth oil, and some ingredients, vitamin E, vinegar, something like that. The best moment I love most when I'm making our living conditioner is this moment. As in this moment, I love it when all the ingredients are coming together. Like I just love that color. I love it. So I have to put some ingredients again just to make sure that is giving me what I really want.
A bit superior, get off of me. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take
After letting it sit for some minutes, this is what our living conditioner is looking like. We don't sell preservation, we don't sell chemical, we don't sell artificial color. This is 100% organic. So I'll go on to fill the bottle. Our customers are saying we should be putting it in a bottle like the way we do our egg growth oil. Of course, your wish is my command. We've got another bottle. Then I think we are changing our bottle. This bottle will be using for our hair butter, which I'll be bringing to you guys very soon. And this is the outcome of our living conditioner. If you haven't sold that for our living conditioner and our hair growth oil, what are you waiting for? Let me see your message. I will surely reply you, and I will show you guys how to use our hair growth oil and our living conditioner on your hair.
no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say.
Hi guys, I'm about to go out, so I'll be showing you guys how to use our product on your hair, be it your short hair or your long hair, anyone at all. As a matter of fact, if you just go to here, please start ordering for our hair products. Order for our hair oil. It will help your hair to go fuller, stronger, and thicker. This was what I've been looking for. Like, this is not worse. This is what I've been looking for forever. Thank God that my hair product is really helping me. So you should first make sure that you wet your hair. So I've wet my hair already. So I'll go on by using our leave-in conditioner. I've wet my hair already. So just take little from our leave-in conditioner. This is our leave-in conditioner. Add it onto your palm and apply it into your wet hair. Like, apply it like this because I don't like it when my hair is paining me. This will make your hair to be more softer than before, and it will keep it moisturized. You don't want to be carrying dry hair all around everywhere, especially during this winter time. This is what you really need. Just apply it on your hair. If it's not enough, take a little bit again, apply it on your palm. You can see it. Just apply it on your hair. I've been using this my bottle oil for more than 8 times right now. If you order for your own, this is how it's going to look like. And this is one I've been using forever. Before you use our product, make sure you shake it. If not, all the ingredients will just sit down. Make sure you shake our product well and apply it direct to your scalp. Apply it to the affected area. I really want this my front edges, like my edges to be more fuller. So I'm applying it. I'll make sure that I apply it to where I really need my hair to grow. You not take your hand, just go on to feed the massage. Like, you massage it into your scalp because that's what you really need. You want the oil to sit in the roots of your scalp. Next thing you do is to go on with your open comb. Make sure you have open comb like this, like white comb. Just because we are using our hair product doesn't mean you should be combing your hair this way. You didn't apply glue. Please, whenever you are combing your hair, make sure you hold the tip of your hair like this. I mean the roots, hold it this way. Then comb the tip first. You have to comb the tip first. Then this is it. This is it. Look at it. This is it. Take it like this. Comb the tip. Then you are good to go. Like, look at where I've combed. Look at where I've combed. This is what my hair is looking like. Please order for our hair products and thank me later. Bye. I'm about to pack our shipments. Our customer asked for the liquid conditioner and our hair growth oil, which is the one I'm trying to pack in. So I have to make sure that I pack it out because you know how ordering something can be, they can just be throwing it anyhow. So I have to make sure that I pack it out. This is our hair growth shampoo. We haven't launched it yet, so I try to just give a little to my customers just for them to try it, for them to give me review, so that I won't be like I'm the only one trying to my kids and on my own hair. So I had to make sure that I give it out for my customer to try it freely for me and let me know what they think about. So this is what our product is looking like. Our leave-in conditioner, our oil, our extreme hair growth, our hair growth oil, and our make it darker that will make your hair dark, shiny. And yeah, so bye, see you guys in my next video.
Superior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last.
Hi guys, we got these three order, our set order. So our leave-in conditioner, I'm about to go out to go and deliver it. We have our hair growth oil and our make it darker. Sorry, I forgot. And our grow it darker. I'll be putting this because it's for baby. And we have our ID card that contains our products, what our product does, and I have here how to use our products and so on. So yeah, bye, see you guys. On my way to the post office to go and send goat to France, and follow me guys.